Hey guys, I'm back. Since we're on the topic, look at that, we're doing some color changes here. Since we're on the topic of celluloid covers, let me show you one that gassed out. This is a 1980s Frank Buster doctor's knife. It's been sitting here in mineral oil for 3 years, but it's kind of because I got sidetracked and I don't know what to do with it really. I want to keep it because I think the celluloid looks pretty cool that it's gassed out. Check that out. This used to be a nickel silver badge and it's just black. Look at the springs. And then the back cover. It's a cool knife too. I was thinking on just, using it as it is. But you'll see this side isn't too bad. Then you flip it over. And it's deep corrosion. I've tried, I think the only way to get it off is to sand it. I've tried every kind of chemical there is. Case paste. What's that? Flits or whatever. Flits. Nothing. So yeah, you can tell because this part of the blade is buried inside the handle that it probably gassed up through. You can see kind of where it bulged, where the pressure, and then it cracked. So I imagine the gases came right up towards the blade and all around it. Here's what the pen knife or pen blade looks like. See the corrosion at the top. And then this side there's nothing. So if you guys got any ideas, I really like the way this handle looks. Now that it's already gassed out, I don't think it can gas out twice. And I would love to keep this shield just jet black like that. It'll look pretty cool. Not a big fan of the doctor's knife pattern, but pretty cool knife nonetheless. Fighting Rooster. It's probably 1980s. I can imagine how gorgeous this was before it gassed out. But they say celluloid was born by chemical reaction and it dies by chemical reaction. You would wonder why anyone would want to collect a knife that has these covers, but when you put it up next to an acrylic, you'll know the difference. I know they're doing great things with acrylic right now. I got that GEC orange swirl guitar dogleg knife that has a really cool acrylic to it. But I don't know, there was just something about celluloid covers that stirs my fancy. So there you guys go. Any hints? Or just start taking some sandpaper to it. Or just leave it. I mean, it's fully functional. All right, take care. Until next time, bye-bye.